Number 1. Clear Coat Safe. Carnauba wax and synthetic polymer technology gently cleans the paint while leaving additional wax protection. Deep Shine leaves a deep, glossy, just waxed shine and gently cleans in one easy step. Amazing Suds, incredible sudsy action, safely lifts dirt and grime to minimize swirling. Paint maintenance, the perfect way to clean. Number 2. Optimum No Rinse Wash. Shine contains exclusive blend of high lubricating polymers that bond to paint while releasing dirt, grime for a safe, brilliant finish. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine allows car washing virtually anywhere, anytime. Get a brilliant shine using only 1 or 2 gallons of water. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine is preferred by professional car detailers, enthusiasts for faster, cleaner results. Shine your car paint, as well as boost its protection and glossiness. In between regular waxings. Versatile Ultimate Wash. Wax is compatible with all Meguiars washes and waxes. It's pH neutral so it won't strip wax. Number 3. Only One Step. Designed to both clean and condition your car in one easy step. Advanced formula cleans without stripping wax protection. The best clean foams away tough dirt, road grime, contaminants. Radiant Look contains ultra-rich conditioners to make your paint look its best. Foam cannon ready. Number 4. The slickest citrus base wash formulated. Outshine most waxes. Citrus Base Hyper Concentrated Wash Gloss is the ultimate surface prep paint or cleanser, shampoo and gloss enhancer. It has biodegradable formula that outperforms hazardous solvent shampoos, surface cleaners. Fast penetrating citrus aided lubricating foam lifts and holds soil and suspension for easy scratch-free rinsing. Dilutes 1 cup full of the product with 5 gallons water. Number 5. Simply the best, Waterless Car Wash. Gently cleans and protects while leaving a non-stick, UV protective coating on all vehicle surfaces. Also excellent for cleaning and protecting all other waxes, sealants and ceramic coatings. Just spray on and wipe dry. Wash and wax anywhere, anytime. Parking lots, garages, work, school. Highly performance, aircraft quality wax for your car, boat and RV. Once you see the difference, you will never